How to add social links to Wix website. So if you want to add social links inside your Wix website, so whenever you're editing the page, right, so make sure you're on the editor of the Wix website. Let's say I want to add a social link right here at this point. I can click on add elements, or I can also click on add elements manually, then go to socials on the left hand side and just choose a certain social bar that I want here. So I've got social bar for share button, or only for Facebook, or only for Twitter. For individual ones also you can do this. For Pinterest, VK line, for YouTube also you can go ahead and add it right here. Otherwise you can simply, let's say I want to add for YouTube, right, I'll just add it right here just like this. Now what I want to do is I want to customize a channel inside here, so I can just click on set your channel and just go ahead and then add your channel address. So in this case I'll simply go ahead and then add my particular channel address, which is my channel URL, just like this. And once I've copied this channel URL, I'll simply come back here and simply paste it. Just hit the done button, and now you can see it will be able to fetch that data and then give you the new channel right here. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you in the next video.